If you need to recover your Coinbase account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase login page. Go to the official Coinbase website and click on the sign in button. Enter your email address associated with your account and click continue. Step 2. Select Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help link. Click on it to access the account recovery options available for users who cannot access the phone number. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. You will be presented with various recovery options. Select the option that allows you to recover your account using your email address or any other available method. Follow the prompts provided. Step 4. Verify your identity. Once you choose an alternative recovery method, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions, providing identification documents, or confirming your email address. Step 5. Reset your password. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password and follow the instructions to complete the process. Once done, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for further assistance.